Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. Oh, this is one of the maddest reviews them around here. Yeah man, no mention Decode. Yo, so you want me? You see today in the program, we are go back in a Vybz Kartel archives. And we are going to chip out this song it's called Dancehall. Because you know I'm the king already. Straight. Yeah man, so that one you call Dancehall. And just remember people, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, click the bell. You won't be disappointed. No joke about that. You know? So you know, we are going to this song. And let me know say what I go on. So watch it now. Watch you running, watch you running, watch you running, watch you wire.
Dancehall love me everything. Dancehall love me everything. Dancehall love me everything. Jungle is Billy Bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every dog, yeah.
Hold on, a whole heap of things in this to talk about, you know. Now when the song starts, you hear him say, Junglist. You say Junglist, you know? You have a place in Jamaica or Kingston, it's called Jungle. And the official name is Arnett Gardens. Now it's a very famous place. This is almost like Tivoli Gardens. So you have Arnett Gardens. They have some good dancers around here, some notable dancers. One is this guy you call Bogle. Rest in peace, he's dead now. You have Willie Agart. He's the inventor of the Willie Bones. Bogle is the inventor of the Bogle and many other dances. He's known as the godfather of dances in Jamaica. And then, as I said, Willie Agart is the inventor of Willie Bones. And you will see it showing up here. And many more dancers. So, let me go further so now here where the man says himself. All right.
Dancehall love me everything. Dancehall love me everything. Dancehall love me everything.
Listen for the
Jungle is Billy Bounce, yeah.
That's the Willie Bounce dance, right? That's the Willie Bounce dance here. Look for yourselves.
Every bad man and every dog, yeah. High grade we a boss, yeah.
And the high grade is ganja.
Fuck up the place of the rum, say, yeah. You look better than Beyonce. Y'all a pray you me baby, what do that done say?
Okay, so it says that she's look better than Beyonce. Girl a pray you, baby, what do that done say? So when they say she look better than Beyonce, it is a style in the dancehall where you have, we call it wifey and matey, or people just come to the dance to throw words at one another, or throw shades. So he's just preempting it by saying you look better than Beyonce. He's talking about a girl telling a girl that she looks better than Beyonce. And he said the girl a pre you. Pre is a term that we use in Jamaica to say a person is looking at you with an intent. So it's not just a look. It's looking to do you some harm or something. Or scoping you out, right? All right, high grade is basically the ganja. That's what we call it, high grade. So I'll go back so you get this lyrics in some better context now. Here we go.
Dancehall love me everything. Jungle is Billy Bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every dog, yeah. High grade we a boss, yeah. Fuck up the place of the rum, say, yeah. You look better than Beyonce. Y'all a pray you me baby, what do that done say? Me a the oxygen for your lungs, eh. Make your pum pum speak in a tongue, say.
You hear what man said there? They're not easy, you know, man. All right, so I'm saying. Hold on, make it go back, so make it go back. Be here, but let me catch it back.
Make your pum pum oxygen for your lungs, eh. Make your pum pum speak in.
Yes, him had the oxygen for your lungs. Make the pum pum speak in our tongues. The pum pum is the vagina. And he's talking the clitoris. We call the clitoris the pum pum tongue. So that's why I'm saying make his pum pum speak in our tongues. Jesus, you're getting that trouble in brother. Jesus, what I do, man? What you doing, man? All right, go on back. Where can people hear it good?
Better than Beyonce, y'all a pray you me baby, what do that done say? Me a the oxygen for your lungs, eh. Make your pum pum speak in a tongue, say. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall.
Okay. First of all, this person here to the left of the screen is called Kiva. It's Kiva the Diva. She's a notable dancer in Jamaica. Celebrity. This gentleman to the right here is called Ding Dong. Ding Dong is a notable dancer as well, but is known mostly more for his singing ability or his DJ ability. One of his most best known song is, let me see if I can find, Shoulder, Fling. Yeah, that song there. Yep, so basically that's where it is now, and we go further now. And actually the video that you're seeing is an actual dancehall settings that you're seeing there. This is how the dancehall is in Jamaica. Sometimes it's more relaxed and more, confined and not that extra like this, but this is what like a typical dancehall looks like in Jamaica.
Dancehall can't stall.
There it is.
Dancehall can't dead yet. Gyal fi a spin pon the bed yet. Fashion and style of fi set yet. Star of fi band when you check say. Me a rub and me bleaching cream yet. See me in a Portmore scheme.
Okay, but I never know them people in this song. Okay, I'll show you.
Check say. Me a rub and me bleaching cream yet. See.
Okay, I don't know him, but this year is Gaza Hindu. If I'm wrong, somebody will tell me. This look like Gaza Hindu. And you see when she hold up her fist like this here, and the camera is going to go close, and you see Gaza written on it. Now, Gaza is basically Vybz Kartel signature name, basically. His group. And the sign that you see this gentleman holding up like a West Side sign, it is actually for Gaza as well. So, we're going in it. We're working.
Me in a Portmore scheme, yeah. I feel have rum for the team, yeah. Tell everybody say you're free if you come in, yeah. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Girl, come for the act. Me slam you like a do.
Hey, you see that? You see that? No, you're up now. The dances, the famous dances that are kept in Jamaica. Let me see if I can find it. You have Weddy Wednesday. That is kept down by Tivoli Gardens, right? Weddy Wednesday kept by Tivoli Gardens. You have Bembe Thursday, Uptown Mondays, Bounty. I don't remember Bounty what. But these are the famous dances, and they go by the name of the day goes with the song. So it kept every day what the day says. Go now, more tune.
When me a lock, if a baby you want, me have a top stock. Boy baby when you get a back shot. Girl baby when you get a lap. Tell you tight in your babes, flap a rat chop. Lobster me bake with a little lamb chop. Big dance later you have a hot. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall love me everything.
Okay, let me go back and show you somebody.
Dancehall can't start. Dancehall love me everything.
Okay, this gentleman here is Boom. His name is Boom Boom. I don't know the other persons them around him. He's a famous musical selector in Jamaica. He kept his thing as a Boom. I think his thing is Boom Tuesday. I think that's what the name of it is. But he's a very famous selector. Let us go.
Kingston, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, St. James, St. Anne, Clarendon King, Portland, Westmoreland, St. Mary, and in the ear, St. Elizabeth, Julani, and over, dance all over here. Manchester, dance all can't start. Dancehall can't start.
Now this gentleman here, what you see, this is a ganja spliff. What is on his head top now, it is peanut. So, famous name for the person who sell peanuts is called Nutsy. Here is some sweeties, lollipops and so on. But let me tell you now, the peanuts that are on his head, you have the roasted peanuts, are parched, So the roasted ones are with salt in it. There are some that is roasted without salt. This is the peanut drops. So I'm giving you history now. You're getting history today. There are some that are not shelled any at all. So when you see him moving around the dance, it's just like this on his head. They are not falling. I don't know how him do it. Very skillful. So he keeps it on his head, and this in his right hand here. This in his right hand here, it is the money that he collects, right? So he's a very skillful man, and the bag on his back normally keeps the change. So when you see them going through the dance, you hear them balling out, nutsy, nutsy, nutsy. So this is the whole atmosphere of what the dancehall scene is like. So that's why I said the music video was shot in an actual dancehall setting, so that who is watching the video actually see what a dancehall is. So it's not anything that is any acting or role playing taking place. It's actually a real dancehall event. Okay? History me I give you now. Go on.
Dancehall can't stall.
That's Eva.
Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall.
And that dance is called the Bogle dance. So I'm giving you history now, real history. So that's the Bogle dance. And I said Bogle, rest in peace, he is now deceased. He is the inventor. His name is Gerald Levy, I think, otherwise known as Bogle, and he did the Bogle dance. And the Bogle dance was made famous in a song by Buju Banton, Mark Myrie. Go!
Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall.
All right, so song done. Song done. Make me tell you what me I know. Big song. Big song, as me say before. Let me see what it says so now. Vybz Kartel, Dancehall from EP. Okay, Dancehall King. All right. So, as I said before, it's a big song. Big song kept in the actual dancehall settings. Right? And I love it so much. It's one of Kartel's biggest songs as well. Not too much lyrics in it in terms of the figure of speech and so forth. But it is not for me alone, it's for you. I want you to tell me what you think about this song, this review, and what else you want me to review. So as usual again, do quick again once more from Bars Beat. Say what? Have that.